Number on the blue slide?
No.
All right. Is your number on the green slide?
Yes.
Is your number on the orange slide?
Yes.
And is your number on the red slide?
Yes.
Ooh, okay. Your number is lucky number 7.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Kay. Let's do one more. Let's do one more.
All right. One more. Okay. I think Anu and Dilip were waiting patiently, so I'll call on them.
Okay. Let me go back to the blue slide.
I lost him. Hold on. Let me see if I can find him again. Anu and Dilip. Oh, yeah. Okay. Sorry.
There we go. Awesome.
All right. You should be able to speak now.
Okay.
Is it Anu or Dilip?
Anu.
Anu. Okay. So again, think of a number between 1 and 15, and you're going to be telling Spencer in 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, it's 3.
What number? Orange, blue, green?
Okay, Javier, we're good. We're good to go.
Okay. Let's see. Anu, tell me if it's on the blue slide.
No.
Okay. How about the green slide?
Nope.
How about the orange slide?
Yeah.
And how about the red slide?
Yeah.
Ooh, you got my favorite number. It's 3.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there we go. Nice. Thank you so much, Anu. All right. That was awesome. Lots of great numbers. So, all right, let's see. Let's go to the next thing. So this was our warm-up. I hope everyone would believe me that I didn't know the number. And now we're going to go to the next slide. Let's see. So we have these circles here on the left. Let me back out of the screen. Let me see. There we go. Otherwise, I can't do what I want to do. Uh-oh. Okay, I went too far. Let's go to, 1 second. There we go. Here we go. So we got these circles here on these colored circles. So we have a red circle, we have 2 orange circles, and 3 yellow circles. And what we're gonna do is try to fill these empty circles over here. Hopefully everyone can see my little cursor. We have 1, 2, 3 towers of different heights. So the first one just has 1 tower of 1 height. The second one has the 1 tower of 1 height and the 2 tower of 2, or the tower of 2. The third one has a tower of 1 height, 2 height, and 3 height, okay? And the way that we're gonna do it is we have these circles, and then they're connected, okay? So we have this one is just 1, so I can move it anywhere I want. But for the other ones, I have to always move them together. So let's say I have that, looks like 2, and this one should be connected just like this. So it should be 3 connected. And again, we're trying to fill each one of these with, we're trying to figure out how many colors we need to fill each of these towers. Okay, so there's a couple other rules. We can't overfill. We can't overfill using the colors. So let's say for the first one, I try to use this yellow. It covered the one that I needed, but now I'm not using these top 2. We can't use this specific one, this color, this yellow color, to fill the first tower. So let me go back. And the other thing is that we can't repeat colors. So let's say I'm going to this tower. I have this one. I can't reuse the red for any specific tower. So here, this I cannot do because I used the red twice. But I can mix and match colors as much as I want, okay? So let me go back. Now, so how many colors do we think we need for 1, 2, and 3? Let's start off with 1. How many colors do we need for 1? For this first one right here. All right. So far, so good. It looks like we all got one. All right. Type your answers. Yes. Type your answers. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. One, one, one. Okay. And the only one that we can use for this one is the red, right? That's the only one that just has one circle. How about for two? How about for two? How many colors do we need for two? Okay, I see twos and threes, twos and threes. Okay, maybe can someone help us out for this second one? Can we call on someone? Someone raise their hand. What colors would we need for this one? Maybe they can help.
I'm going to call on Rihanna.
Okay.
Oh, I accidentally missed. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
All right. Rihanna, you should be able to speak now.
Hello.
Hi, Rihanna. What colors would we need for two of these towers of height 1 and 2?
You'd need one red dot and two of the orange dots.
Okay, let's see. So I could put that one there, and then I would put the 2 with the 2?
Yeah.
Like that? How about 3? Could you help us out with 3?
You'd need to put one red dot, two orange dots, and 3 yellow dots.
Ah, okay. So something like this, right? Is that correct, Rihanna?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, thank you so much. All right, so everybody's still saying 3 for 3. Okay, is there another way we could do the Tower of 3? The Tower of Height 3? What other colors could we use for the Tower of Height 3? Remember, we can mix and match the colors if we want. Say yes or no if we can do another way. Is there another way to do the Tower of Height 3? Yes or no? Okay, Rihanna's saying yes. Jed is saying yes. Upasana, Anu, lots of yeses. Okay.
Should I call Rihanna back to the stage?
Rihanna, come back to us. Help us out. What's another way of doing this Tower of Height 3?
You could put 2 orange dots and 1 red dot.
Oh, okay. So I can use this. Let's put it on the side for now. And I can put the red top right on top, right? We didn't spill over. We have 3 circles, and that's another way of doing that, that Tower of Height 3. So how many colors did we need to fill this tower from 1 to 3? How many colors did we actually need, Rihanna? You can tell us.
3.
3? Did we need this yellow one?
No, 2.
Ah, so we could do it in 2. We didn't need 3. We could have just done it in 2. Awesome. Thank you so much, Rihanna. Okay, so for this one, keep that in mind that for the tower from 1 to 3, we were able to use, we only needed 2 colors. We didn't need the yellow just yet. Okay, how about 4 and 5? How about 4 and 5? All right, Anu saying, oh, these are good questions. You can't repeat a color. We can't repeat a color for one tower. So again, we can't do something like this. For one specific tower, I can't repeat the colors. But I can repeat the color like we did earlier, like what Rihanna told us. We can repeat the color in a different tower. Right, all these are towers. We're going from 1, now here we're doing 1 to 4. Okay, can someone help us out for 4 and 5? How many colors do we need for towers 1 to 4 and 1 to 5? Let's do 1 to 4 first. Type in the answer in the chat. 1 to 4, what would be the number of colors we need?
And Javier, I think after a moment, I'm going to call on AJ, okay? I think they've been waiting patiently.
Okay. AJ, help us out. We need to figure out how to do the towers from 1 to 4. How many colors we need? I see 4 and 3. 4 and 3 in the chat. So AJ, first of all, I can't. I lost where you said it in the chat, but could you actually, now that you're here with us, you can tell us. How many colors do we need? How many colors do
You
you
would
think
need
you need
4
for
colors, and my computer is about to die in 4 minutes.
Uh-oh. Okay. We need 4 colors for 1 to 4? Show us. What do we need to do?
You would need red at the first tower,
Okay.
orange at the second, yellow at the third, and green at the fourth.
Okay. But remember what Rihanna told us? She told us that we can, for the 3, we can use the 2 oranges and the red, right? So what we can do is this one. We can do this, and we can do this, right?
Sure, yeah.
Okay, but how do we do that last tower of height 4? Do we need the green one? Can we do it with the yellow one?
You can do it with the yellow and red one.
All right, tell us, how do we do it?
You would use yellow at the bottom and red at the top.
All right. So how many colors here did we need to fill up the towers? AJ? How many did we actually need? We didn't need the green one, so how many colors was this?
3.
3. Awesome. Thank you so much, AJ. All right, back to the other question. What about 1 through 5? Is that also 3 colors? Or would it be 4? What did we say, 3 or 4? Paula B saying 4, Caroline saying 3, Rihanna saying 3. Ooh, still 3, still 3. Okay. Still 3. All right.
So I think to be fair, to give everyone a chance, because people, I can't tell how long people have been waiting. I'm going to put all the hands down. So Javier's going to count to 3. I'll put all the hands down, and then the first hand I see back up, I'm going to call on.
All
Does
right.
that sound good, Javier?
Sounds good. Okay. Are all the hands down? Nope, there's still some hands.
Okay, I'm putting all the hands down, and we're going to wait until Javier says 3 to raise it up. And the first one I
Don't
see.
raise your hand just yet. Don't raise your hand just yet. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Everybody.
Okay. I saw Jed, and then I saw 7 other hands.
Oh
So I
my
think
God.
Jed, I'm going to call on.
Okay. Okay.
It's still 3.
Okay.
Because you can do the same arrangement as the fourth tower on the 5th,
Mm-hmm.
and then you put the yellow and then the orange on the last.
Okay. So I'll just use the ones that I already made. I'll just put it right next to it. So you said the last one should have a 3 yellow and then what? Like this?
And orange, because that would make 5.
Ah, okay. So we got something like this, right? Right, Jed? Is that correct?
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Jed. All right, let's see. So it seems like we're getting the hang of this. What about the towers from 1 to 6? Now how many would it take? Is it still 3? Is it still 3 in the chat? Tell us yes or no.
So I think I'm going to call on Caroline, since I don't think I've called on Caroline yet.
Okay. All right, seems like a lot of people are saying still 3. Caroline, do you agree it's still 3?
Yes,
Why is it still 3?
because on the first one you can do red,
Mm-hmm.
then orange, then yellow, then red,
Okay.
yellow, then
Okay.
orange.
I'm trying to keep up. Okay, you said yellow again. And then something about a red here, I think.
Yes.
And then,
The exact same as last time, except the other pillar is just gonna have a red on top.
oh, okay. I know my towers are super messy, but I'm working on it, trying. Okay. So many circles everywhere. Okay, one more. So something like that. The red at the very top. Okay, so we still got 3 colors. Awesome. Thank you so much, Caroline.
You're welcome.
All right, Jed is saying something interesting in the chat. Let's see. Let's go to the next one. So, oh my goodness. So who should we call for this one?
Well, how do you feel about calling on Jed to explain their thoughts in chat?
Okay. Yeah, Jed, let us know. What are you thinking?
Because the last one since you can't repeat anything, you had 1, 3, 2, and 1. So
Oh, for number 6? Let me
yeah,
show
so,
that.
so you had 1, 2, and 3. That'd be biggest. Like I mean, since like that's the biggest you can get. Because since 6 is a triangular number, so you can't get any bigger.
Oh,
So
you're saying
that means
6
that
would
you'll
look
need
like
to.
this, right?
That means you'll have to get a green there. Otherwise, it's gonna be too small. Like unless you repeat something, you can't get any bigger.
Ah, so we can't. We've already used all 3 colors, right? For that tower of height 6.
Yep.
Okay, so we have to use the green here. And then how would we finish it?
It doesn't really matter. You could put an orange and then a red, or you could put a straight yellow. Doesn't really matter.
For quickness, I'll just put the yellow. But does everyone agree with Jen that for this last 3, we can put either this yellow or the red and the orange? All right, seems like a lot of yeses, a lot of yups. Thank you so much, Jed.
So I'm going to ask, does anyone disagree? Are there any people who disagree that we might not need 4 colors?
That's a good question.
Let's see, so right now I'm seeing, I think Kay saying no, they don't disagree. Or, oh, Lorraine, do you disagree? Oh, is Lionel saying 3? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower all hands. And if you disagree, raise your hand. So I'm lowering all hands. And let's see if there's anyone who disagrees.
All right.
All right, so Lionel disagrees. Does anyone else disagree? Well, Lionel, if you disagree, would you feel comfortable explaining in voice chat why you disagree? All right, so I'm going to call on Lionel.
I think it's because for the first tower you can do 1.
Mm-hmm.
The second tower, you're going to do 2. For the third tower, you're going to do 2, 1. And then for the fourth tower, you're going to do 4. And then for the fifth tower, you're going to do 4, 1. And then for the sixth tower, you're going to do 4, 2. And then for the seventh tower, you're going to do 4, 3.
Okay. Whoa, let's see. Did you say use the 4, this green one here?
Yes, and then 4, 1 for the 5.
4, 1. So another green and a red. I'll just reuse the ones that we've been using. So something like that. Oh, I'm running out of colors. Okay, and then go ahead.
And then you do 4, 2.
Let me delete these. So we're going to use a 2. And then we're going to use a set of 4. Let's see if this works. Okay, there we go.
And then you do 4, let's see, 4, 2, 1.
That's interesting. And it works? Does everyone agree with Lionel? Does this work? Is it 3 colors? Wow, look at Anu saying, wow. Agree, yes. Wow, look at that. Thank you so much, Lionel, for helping us out there.
So if you don't mind, Javier, I kind of want to ask a question. Can we get some guesses in chat? Then earlier we thought that it took 4 colors to do this, but we could do this in 3.
Mm-hmm.
Does anyone think how many? Let's type some guesses in chat. How many colors do we think it would take us to do 8? Can we do 8 and 3 as well?
I wonder.
I'm seeing a lot of 3s. Oh, seeing a few 4s.
3 or 4.
I like how Oak Valley Middle School saying
We
2.
can do it in the 2? Oh my goodness. K saying 3 still. Okay. Lionel's 4. He thinks it's 4 now. Leia's 3. Okay. Interesting.
So should we call on someone to maybe explain their guess, Javier?
Sure. Let's see who wants to raise their hand. Help us out.
All right. So I really like that too. So I'm actually going to call on Oak Valley Middle School.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, sorry. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. I clicked on Rihanna by accident. I apologize. Oh, wait, no. Oak
No,
Valley.
it's there.
Okay. You should be able to share now. Oak Valley Middle School. Can you hear us?
Hello? Help us out. You're saying there's 2. We can do it in 2, huh?
Just so you're aware, Oak Valley Middle School, we actually can't hear you right now. You're currently allowed to unmute yourself.
It looks like they're unmuted.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, then if you want to type your explanation in chat, I think for the time being, I'm going to call on someone else. Sorry that we're having the technical difficulties.
Maybe someone that thinks that they can do it in 3, or is there another person that said they can do it in 2? No, I think there's only one with 2.
All right. So should I call on Rihanna or should I call on Anu?
Let's do. Is there someone that hasn't gone yet? No. Okay, let's try Rihanna. It's been a while. It's been a while since Rihanna helped us out.
Okay. So I don't think that you could do it with 3 because if you were to do it with 3, you would have to do it with like the red dot, the orange dot, and the yellow dots.
Mm-hmm.
But for this, it would only be possible up to the 6 dots because you couldn't do the red dot and the orange dot and the yellow dot in the 7th one, or else you'd have to do one twice.
Mm-hmm.
So I think you'd have to use 4 colors because you'd have to use red in the first one.
Okay. Help me out. Keep going.
Oh, you're on the 1 through 7 slide. Do you have a 1 through 8 slide?
Yeah, I got it. 1 through 8. I can go back. Oopsie. I forgot to change it. There we go. You said 1 on the 1. And then?
And then 2 on 2.
Mm-hmm.
And then you could do 3 on the 3rd one.
Okay. And then?
And then 3 and 1.
3 and 1. All right. And then next. What's next?
And then 3 and 2.
I know I'm kind of slow, but trust that I'm putting them there. Okay.
Then you could do 3, 2, and 1.
Okay. What about the Tower of Height 7?
You'd have to do 4 and 3, or you could do 4, 2, and 1.
4 and 3. Okay. And what about the last one?
You could do 4, 3, 1.
Okay. Let me get that. And that should finish it, right?
Yes.
And there we go. And we said we used how many colors for this one?
4.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Rihanna. All right. So yeah.
Hunter, do you mind if we talk a little bit about a discussion that's happening in chat?
Yeah, what's going on?
Well, I'm looking at the text chat, and right now I'm seeing that Oak Valley Middle School is saying that we can do 8 in 2 colors because you can use 5 and 3.
Mm-hmm.
No, that's not true.
That's not true?
No.
Why is
Because
that?
the first two columns won't work at all.
Oh, so with 5 and 3, we can't do 1 and 2? The height's 1 and 2, huh?
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so what Jed's pointing out is the good thing here is like when we're trying to get to 8, we have to get everything up to 8. So we need to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Yeah,
Thank you very much, Jed. I'm liking the discussion I'm seeing.
yeah. That was awesome. I know we're a little past 2:30. So yeah, we're definitely gonna wrap it up a little bit. But thank you so much for everyone's participation. That was
Javier, can I
yeah, go
actually interject one thing? Sorry, we were waiting on a link to upload, but I do have the mind reading explanation activity up.
Oh, okay. Okay, perfect. Yeah, put it in the chat for us so you can take a look at. We'll leave you with one question. Remember the thing that we did as the warm up with the cards, right? With the slides, the blue, the red, the orange, the green. There was that the mind reading slides. So there was that, and then there was these towers that we were making. And the question I'll leave you all with is, do you see can you find a connection between the two? A connection between the colored slides, the mind reading slides, and these towers that we've been building with these colors. Okay? All right, thank you so much. Bye, everyone. We'll see you on next Monday. Okay? Bye. Have a great Monday. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Lionel. Bye, everyone. Jed, Andrew, Kay. Bye. Bye, Angelique. Upasana, bye. Have a good day.
Okay. Good work. So I think that went pretty well.
That went really good, I feel like.